In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an image from Google Docs to Photoshop using a few simple methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your situation. Whether you need a quick copy, the best quality download, or a backup method when copy and paste doesn't work, I'll walk you through everything step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. The first method is the quickest one, and it's the easiest to try first. Open your Google Docs document and find the image you want to move into Photoshop. If the image is selectable, right-click it and choose Copy. Then open Photoshop and press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste it directly into your project. This is the fastest method, and in many cases it works perfectly. But if Google Docs doesn't allow you to copy the image cleanly, don't worry, because there are better options. Now let's move to the second method, which is the best option if you want better quality. Start by right-clicking the image in Google Docs. Depending on the image and your document setup, you may see an option like Save to Keep or sometimes Save As. If you see Save to Keep, click it so the image is saved into Google Keep. Then open the Google Keep side panel, locate that image, right-click it, and choose Save Image As. This lets you download the image to your computer. Once it's saved, go into Photoshop and use File, then Open or File, then place Embedded, depending on how you want to bring it into your design. This method is usually the best because it gives you a proper image file that you can use more reliably inside Photoshop. If the first two methods don't work for your document, there's another very useful trick. Go to File in Google Docs, then select Download and choose Web Page, which is the HTML option. When Google Docs downloads the file, it usually creates a folder with the web page contents. Open that downloaded folder on your computer and look through the files inside. You should find the image stored there as part of the export. Once you locate it, open the image in Photoshop or drag it into your project if needed. This method is especially helpful when you need to recover an image that won't copy normally. So to recap, if you just need something fast, try the direct copy method first. If you want the best quality and most reliable result, use the Google Keep or Save Image method. And if those don't work, the web page download method is a great backup. The right method really depends on how the image is stored in your Google Doc and what options are available when you right-click it. A quick tip before you finish. If you're working on a design or editing project, always check the image quality after importing it into Photoshop. Sometimes images copied from docs can be smaller or compressed, so using the download method often gives you a cleaner result. If you're editing multiple graphics, it's also a good idea to organize your files into a separate folder so you can find them easily later. And that's it. You now know how to copy an image from Google Docs to Photoshop using 3 different methods. Try the quick copy first, then the download method, and use the HTML export if you need a backup solution. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.